Are you looking for the best garage shelving? In today's video, we're going to explore top 5 garage shelving that we have found through our entire research process. We made this list based on 5 things, such as capacity, durability, material, storage items, installation. There are many types of garage shelving that may be the best, but sometimes they didn't fulfill your requirements. The Fleximounts garage shelving is our most recommended pick for its overall features and real user feedback. We will go into the deep overview in the next, but if you hurry, let's have a quick look at the quick comparison table. Here you can easily compare the top 5 garage shelving. We try to show you some great features that may fulfill your requirement and some of the limitations of these products. If you find this table helpful, be sure to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have added all the products linked in the description box below. If you are interested in any of them, feel free to check them out. All of the listed products are available on Amazon. Now let's go to the deeper section of this buying guide. At number 1 is the Fleximounts 2x6 garage shelving. Consider checking out Fleximounts garage shelving if you're seeking for high-quality shelves all around. 8 wire shelves and 8 sturdy brackets are included with this unit, and each shelf section can hold up to 200 pounds of storage. The Fleximounts shelves proved to be a bit of a unicorn during our testing. The shelves are 24 inches deep and can support 200 pounds each, in addition to having a high weight capacity. Although the brackets are of exceptionally excellent quality and come with heavy-duty hardware, we were nonetheless amazed that these shelves could support such a large amount of weight. The lags on the brackets were too long for a drywall over concrete construction, which made it challenging to install them because they needed to be level with one another. However, the mesh shelves disassemble into pairs, making it simple to put the shelves together. Although there was some wobbling, it is normal for a wall-mounted shelving unit. At number 2 is the Amazon Basics 4 Shelf Garage Shelving Unit, a flexible storage shelf that delivers a clean appearance and can be modified to 5 various shelf designs. Has been developed by Amazon Basics. The maximum load that can be supported by this shelf arrangement is 1,400 pounds. Heavy-duty usage is appropriate for this shelf. It has a strong steel wire construction that can remain stable even when heavy loads are applied to it. It has a streamlined appearance because of the chrome finish, which also makes it compatible with any decor. By attaching the plastic black sleeves to the metal supports, it is adjustable and the shelves can be raised or lowered by 1 inch. Without the need of any tools, the assembly and installation may be completed, and the box includes all the hardware and parts needed. It may be utilized in the kitchen, storage, or any workshop thanks to its adaptability. At number 3 is the SafeRacks garage shelving. Thanks to its 24-inch shelving width, the SafeRack model is perfect for those who need to store large boxes or items like water bottles or automobile parts. The powder-coated wire and framing add further durability to the alloy steel design, which can support up to 300 pounds per shelf. In addition to providing an extra firm platform for study, its 150-pound weight should also reduce any swaying or rocking while in use. Although it costs more than the other choices on our list, this shelving can be well worth the money if you absolutely need to store huge equipment safely and securely. At number 4 is the Fleximounts Overhead Garage Shelving Rack. Are you seeking for a storage solution to keep unwanted and seasonal items off the garage floor while preventing any form of water damage? You may solve your problem with this storage rack. It is meant to be fastened to ceiling brackets with just 2 studs, making it a safe and sturdy storage rack. The pressure is spread equally because it is fastened to a long ceiling bracket. The ideal option of structure to ensure the security of the storage system is this feature combined with 6 vertical pillars. It is designed to store heavy-duty materials and is made of excellent cold-rolled steel that can hold up to 600 pounds. The integrated grid design may also provide more stability. It is possible to change the height from 22 to 40 inches. The M8 screws and other installation hardware are created after going through rigorous testing. Installation is extremely straightforward. At number 5 is the Homedant 5-tier metal garage shelving. This multi-purpose 5-level shelving unit was created by Homedant. To save room on the floor, it can also be modified to include 2 separate shelves. The user can assemble this product in a variety of ways thanks to the scientifically constructed beams of the construction. This is a maximum load capacity of 264 pounds when distributed evenly and is made of excellent steel and MDF boards. A powder coating has been applied to the construction to make it rust and scratch resistant. At every level and a distance of 1.18, the height is movable. Its construction was planned so that you could put it together by yourself without the need of any tools. It simply takes 10 minutes to complete the assembly. At the end, it is important to remember that worrying about money doesn't actually do anything to help. Instead, it can actually lead to more anxiety and stress. So the best way to stop worrying about money is to take some time for yourself, relax, and let go. Finally, remind yourself that you can always fix things if they get too tough.